We are heading to Sherwood, and looks like we got some oil fields, right? That's what the Darling says they are, oil.
Yeah.
I've never been up close to oil. What are they pumping out of the ground?
Yeah. And we're going up to a canola field.
And a canola field.
Now that we know
Maybe
what
that's
it is.
maybe they're pumping canola oil out of the ground.
Oh my goodness.
This canola drains its oil right into the ground over there, and they have pipes taking it right to those pumps.
You're so funny.
As we head out to Sherwood, we're heading toward Mast Hope, it's called. It's probably that town up there on the horizon. But just give you a look at the little scenery here. Very exciting. I forget what route number this is, but I don't know what it is. 14? No, I don't know what it is. Do you know what route number this is?
No, I can find out.
You don't have to. It's the road that Mast Hope is on, the east-west corridor. Kind of farmland out here.
Agriculture. There's some horses over there. Behind the trees.
We got horses over there. Oh yeah, lots of horses there.
Wait till we're closer.
We have a traffic jam here at the intersection in West Hope. We're behind a truck at a stop sign. There's the town gas station.
That's right.
I don't know anything about farming, so I don't know what all this is.
We're gonna be asking them.
Back of a pickup truck there. Oh, and here's the town mall. CNX. This is West Hope, North Dakota.
It's a cute little.
There's the ambulance building there on the left. Some for sale on the right, some Sea-Doos. 25 miles an hour. There's, I guess he's not on duty, sheriff's. Be like, son, we don't want you taking videotape in our little town. All right, we're now leaving West Hope.
Hey, there's some canola fields.
We got more canola fields. We just learned that that's canola. I just thought it was a big bunch of dandelions at first. Looks like dandelions, right? Big dandelions. That's canola. All right, onward to Sherwood. I didn't even know Iowa had palm trees. Look at that. A little slice of home here on the road in North Dakota near Canada. That's an Iowa palm pole, people. An Iowa palm. We're in Antler, North Dakota, and featuring the lovely Mrs.
Continue for 20 miles.
Now we're heading out
To Sherwood.
107th Street for 20 miles to get to the farm to see Oliver Wendell Douglas
In the living
and his wife Lisa. Hopefully Eb will be working today. I hope they run into Mr. Haney. We are approaching Sherwood, North Dakota. They have a stop sign. This is the busy intersection, I guess. I don't know. Because we have no idea where we are or anything. Home of the Sherwood Wildcats. Is that football champs?
Yes, this is football champs.
Class B 9-man football state champs. You know, we have enough. You know, not enough people around here to get a full football team. That's something.
That was in 1982.
There's the park.
Good
Maybe.
year.
Maybe that's the school. I don't know.
Possibly. There's a football field.
Sherwood, North Dakota. Look it up on your map. We're out there, baby.
We're up there.
We're out there and up there.
Watch.
Watch the machines. Here comes another machine our way. Kind of farmland out here. Kind of. All right, we're heading to the farm now. All right, heading into the Steeves ranch, whatever you call it. It looks pretty big.
We're here.
I never pulled into a big farm like this.
We're gonna learn some things.
Oh, here we are. Wow. That's his 150-foot building there.
There's Miss Lucy.
There's Lucy, and we have a greeter right here. Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
I was going to do the same.
All right, that's Lucy. Here we go. All right, so what do we got here? Is that a swimming pool out there? Is that your above ground pool?
That's my above ground pool, yeah. That's it.
Oh, we got chickens and horses.
Here's
Wow.
one
Do
for
they come when you call them?
here comes Speedy.
Hi, Speedy.
All I gotta do is open this door.
Hi, guy.
Hey, horsies.
Did you get a picture, Sky?
How you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, what is that?
You're limping?
Yes.
Are
Did
you
you get Sky?
spoiled? You're not a favorite, are you?
How you guys doing? Okay? You girls? What are they? Girls? Guys?
2 boys, 1 girl.
Oh, come here.
Yeah. And it's,
So what are their names again?
this is Ultra.
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 And
Mick
this
Ultra.
is Mick.
This is Journey, because I love me some Journey.
Oh my
I thought
god,
it was
that's
Mick,
awesome.
Mick Ultra. And
And
who's
that's
this?
Charm.
Charm.
Hi,
Yeah.
Jen. Hi, guys.
Yeah. And
They
Charm
made
is
by
all
them.
Journey's gonna get between you and Ultra.
It's the Hen House 5.
Very Sometimes I set their fan up. I haven't. It wasn't this hot when I left.
He's singing at me.
Like, what the hell's going on?
That's the horses, chickens, and now this is what you call a barn find. It is a Packard. It's actually restorable. It's the Seedhawk 980. The tires are about 6, almost 7 feet tall.
Ready?
Can't go down. Oh, let's see the can. Oh, yes.
What do you got?
Yeah, that's how they party here in North Dakota.
What is it? What are you drinking?
Oh my gosh, that's so funny.
Better grab it. Oh, it's Willie.
That's Luke Steeves fertilizing the soybeans. And Dad's running out the emergency Mountain Dew. That is a neat looking machine. I gotta get one of them, darling. We can fit that out back. Not the wings, but we can fit the main part of it.
Yeah, maybe with the wings folded up.
Yeah.
Do you have something for laying down? Yep.
Oh, no way.
Now behind me,
Oh, are we cheersing?
somebody's partying here.
Oops.
Oh, you know how I roll. Code 0. We're getting chickpeas from one of the neighbors.
I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh.
Chickpeas for
Uh-huh.
Cheryl.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot. That's awesome.
You can probably freeze them. I don't know.
All right. What town are we in?
I don't even know.
Lorain.
Lorraine.
Lorain, North Dakota. We're coming to the Naked Moose. All part of the Steeves reality tour here. All part of the Steeves reality tour. David and Lucy.
This is like unexpected out in the room.
This is Cheryl. That's Lucy. And that's David. And that's me. We're on the Steeves reality tour.
Down there in the weeds.
They go all the way down that way too. Not all the way, but